Hello friends, so today in this video we are going to solve the total cuts problem. So basically in this problem we are given an array of size n and an integer k. Our task is to find the total number of cuts that we can make such that the two conditions that are given should be satisfied. So let's see what are the conditions. The first condition states that we can divide the array into two equal parts of unequal length, okay, and the second part state that we have to find the number of partitions such that the largest element in the left part and the smallest element in the right part, the sum of both these two should be greater than or equal to k. So let us try to understand the problem by seeing the example. So here in this example 1 we are given n equal to 3 and k equal to 3. N is the size of the array and we are given this array 1 to 3. So in this array we can actually make two partitions such that one partition can be here, okay, after between 1 and 2. The explanation is also given here. We can divide the array into two parts such that the left part should be 1 and the right part should be 2 comma 3. So here in this case, if we find the sum of the maximum and minimum element of both the array, so we will get 1 plus 2 that is greater than that is equal to 3, which satisfied the condition. And here in this case we will find the sum. So we will get maximum element is 2 in the left sub array and the minimum element in the right sub array is 3. So the sum is 5, which is greater than 3. So this also satisfied the condition, okay. So similarly the example 2 is also given. So let us try to understand the intuition behind the problem. So suppose we are given an array this 43263 and k equal to 7, okay, and the index I have marked for easy understanding. So basically in this problem we have to make two array. So suppose let us see, we will divide the array from index 1. So this is our left sub array and this is our right sub array. So what we have to do, we have to find the maximum element from the left subarray. So for tracking the maximum element from the left subarray, we will make a prefix subarray. Okay, we will make a prefix array which will store the maximum element till I. Suppose for I equal to 1, the maximum element in array is 4. From I equal to 0 to 1, the maximum element is 4 again. From I equal to 0 to 2, the maximum element is 4 again. So this array basically stores the or track the maximum element, okay. So from I equal to 0 to 3, the maximum element is 6, and from I equal to 0 to 4, the maximum element is 6. So this array tracks the maximum element. Similarly the suffix array tracks the minimum element. So we will fill the suffix array in reverse order from I equal to n minus 1 to 0. So basically first this 3 will be filled in the suffix array. So from I equal to 4 to 4, the minimum element is 3. From I equal to 3 to 4, the minimum element is 3 again. From I equal to 2 to 3, the minimum element is 2. From I equal to 0 to 3 or 4, the minimum element is 2 again. From I equal to 0 to 4, the minimum element is 2 again. So basically we have make this two array, prefix and suffix array. Now our task is to find the total number of partitions. For making the total number of partitions, what we will do, we will divide the array into two halves. So suppose if we are partitioning the array into array from I equal to 0, so array will be divided into two halves. That will be one left sub array will be 4 and a right sub array will be 3 to 6 3. So here in this case what we will do, to find no, to check whether this subarray, whether these two subarray satisfied our two condition or not, we will check is the prefix of I and suffix of I plus 1 is greater than or equal to k. it's 4 plus 2 which is not greater than k, so we will not count this pair, so we cannot divide the array from this point. So we will increment our I and we will check, is this 4 and this 2 greater than equal to k? No, this is not possible. So again we will not divide the array. Now we will again increment it. So we will check, is this 4 and is this 3 divide the array? No. Yes, it is equal to k. So what we will do, we will increment our answer. Now what we will check, we will check, is this 6 and is this 3 greater equal to 7? Yes, it's greater than 7. So we will again increment our answer. So our answer will become, we have increment our answer two times, so it will be 2. Okay. So and for calculating the total number of partitions, since there are n elements which is 5, so we can the total number of partition we can make is n minus 1, that is 4, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 places where we can make the partitions. So that's why we will run a loop from I equal to 0 to n minus 1 for calculating the partition, and we will get the answers. So let us see the code part. So in the code part, we are basically making two vectors, that is maxi and mini, and we are initializing mini equal to n comma 0, and we have also made two variable mx and mn, and we have also initialized with int min and int max. So first we are running a loop to uh, fill the maxi vector, and then we are running a loop to fill the mini vector. So maxi is basically the prefix which tracks the maximum element, and mini is basically the suffix which tracks the minimum element. And we are making one variable answer and is initializes it to 0. And after and to calculate the total number of partitions possible, we are running a loop from I equal to 0 to n minus 1, and we are running a condition that if maxi of I plus mini of I plus 1 greater equals to k, we are just simply incrementing our answer, and after all this process we are returning the answer. So thank you for watching till here.